Hi everyone, let me tell you everything you need to know about hair PRP at Dermamina. PRP is platelet-rich plasma. What we do is that we take your blood, we extract the plasma using a centrifuge, and then we take the plasma and re-inject it into your concerned areas. It helps with regeneration and healing of the hair follicle, increases thickness and density of the hair, and third, it helps with reducing hair loss. PRP is good for those who are suffering from hair loss, those with female or male pattern baldness, and can be used as a preventative measure for those who are experiencing hair thinning. Pain can vary from patient to patient, however, most of our clients have a positive experience, and we also use a scalp vibrator that can help ease discomfort. The sessions can vary from 3 to 6 depending on your concerns, but we also offer bigger packages for those who want to maintain the results. Most of our clients can see results within 3 to 6 months. However, this varies from person to person, and this will be discussed during your consultation. We look forward to welcoming you at our clinic and help you with your hair loss journey at Dermamina.